Hey Jeff, this is how to set your grade book up so that you can actually see the grades at the end of each column. So this is what happens when you first go in. What you want to do under Grader Report is you go in here and you go to Grade Book Setup. Now I've already done yours, so it's probably not going to work to change it back, but over here is this little thing that says action, and you want to edit the category. You want to make sure under aggregation that it says natural. Yours said weighted means of grades. And we don't want to grade like that. It gets confusing. Natural, all that means is that it's mathematical. I mean, if it's worth 20%, then it's, 20%. So you want to make sure that says natural. You hit save, and that's all there is to it. That's all there is to making sure that you have all your grade books. Now, the only tricky thing is that the mandatory course enrollment activity, they put that, the distance learning puts that in there, and it's going to come up automatically as weighted grades. You can go in there and fix it just as long as the overall arching, the 217, which is kind of how can I put this? It's the umbrella of everything that goes in there. That needs to say natural. Told you it was an easy fix. All right, hope that helps. Bye.